Sin theta is given by opposite side. Sin theta is given by opposite side by hypotenuse. The definition of a sin theta, it is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Now listen very carefully, sir. Opposite side, it is P. Hypotenuse, it is H. Hypotenuse, it is H. Now listen. Now you tell me, sir, sin theta is P by H. What is the condition? H is greater than P. Hypotenuse is greater than perpendicular. H is greater than P. That means P will be less than H. Yes or no? P is less than H. Numerator is less than denominator. If numerator is less than denominator, can the value be greater than 1? 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 9 by 10. If numerator is less than denominator, can the value be greater than 1? No. And these values, these are the values. There are 4 quadrants. This is x positive, y positive. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, x negative, y negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. These values can be positive, negative, positive, negative. First see here, sir. Can these value be greater than 1? No. Can these value be less than -1? Why you got -1? This is a fraction. 2 by 3 or reverse take. P is less than H. 2 by 3. Or if I take 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means it is not possible. Similarly, -3 by 2. These values can be lying in other quadrants and it can take negative. That is the reason sin theta always lies from -1 to 1. Sin theta always lies from -1 to 1. Please do not by heart. Again I am repeating it. Why it lies from -1 to 1? Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse, which is P by H. H is greater than P. That means P is less than H. If P is greater than H, the value will be greater than 1. It cannot be greater than 1. That it cannot be greater than 1 means it has to be less than or equivalent to 1. These values can lie in second, third and fourth quadrant. Therefore, minus can come. This cannot be greater than 1 or it cannot be less than -1. Are you all with me? P is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 0.6. 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Before that minus can come because these values can be in the other quadrants. Please make a note. Minus, it cannot be, suppose these P and H values are there. P and H values. P can take plus, H can take plus. Plus plus. That means if H is less than P, if H is greater than P, that means this value is less than 1. It cannot be greater than 1. This P can take minus, H can take plus. So before minus sign will be there. Already it is not greater than 1. Similarly, before minus sign can be there, right? P can be X quadrant, H can be Y quadrant. Please write down. Sin theta always lies from -1 to 1. -1 to 1. -1 to 1. Okay. Just to explain you, Sai, if I take these quadrants, let me take a triangle. This is 3 units, this is 4 units. This is 5 units. The same triangle, if it is here, This is positive side of x. This is negative side of x. This will be minus 3. These 4. These value is common, but before minus sign is there. Understood? Similarly, the figure can be like this. Figure can be like this. X positive, y positive. X negative, y positive. X negative, y negative. X positive, y negative. These values can be positive or negative.